Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make sushi using a bamboo mat. First, place your bamboo mat on a clean surface with the strings facing upwards. Next, cover the entire mat with one layer of plastic wrap. This prevents rice from sticking and makes cleanup much easier. Ensure your sushi rice is perfectly cooked, cooled, and seasoned with rice vinegar, sugar, and salt. Finally, prepare all your delicious fillings, cutting them into even, manageable strips. Now, let's add the rice and fillings. Take about 1 cup of prepared sushi rice and spread it evenly over approximately 2/3 of the plastic-wrapped mat. Remember to leave about 1 inch of the mat clear at the top edge. This space is crucial for sealing the roll. Carefully place your desired fillings, like fresh fish, avocado, or cucumber, in a horizontal line across the center of the rice. Be mindful not to overfill, as this can make rolling difficult. This is where the magic happens. The roll. Gently lift the edge of the bamboo mat closest to you, bringing it up and over your fillings. Press down firmly but gently to secure the fillings and begin forming the roll. Continue to roll forward, using the mat to guide and compress the sushi into a tight cylinder. Apply even pressure with your fingers as you roll, ensuring a compact and well-formed shape. You're almost done. Once the roll is complete, give it a final gentle squeeze with the mat to ensure it's perfectly sealed and firm. The seam should be on the bottom. Now, for slicing, moisten a very sharp knife with a little water to prevent sticking. Carefully cut the roll into 6 or 8 equal-sized pieces, using a gentle sawing motion. Serve your beautiful homemade sushi immediately with soy sauce and wasabi.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.